You say you want to be an entrepreneur, but what price are you paying to be there? You just sit at late night scrolling your social media feeds, which is worth nothing. And you think entrepreneurship is so fancy, wherein you put in your bio of social media stating that I'm an entrepreneur, but you don't know anything about it. And the real truth which is present behind entrepreneurship is. Hello everybody, I welcome you back to my channel Value for You. So in this video we are going to see about entrepreneurship and who real entrepreneurs are. So before we move on to entrepreneurship, let me just give you the difference between entrepreneurship and business. So if that sounds interesting, without any delay, let's get into the video. To all the people who want to be real entrepreneurs, you're in the right place because everybody in this present world thinks entrepreneurship as something else. If you want to know the real view, if you want to know the real view or the real truth which is present behind entrepreneurship, do check the full video. So before me getting into this entrepreneurship, let me just give you the difference between entrepreneurship and business. So the first difference is, when I say entrepreneurship, the first thing which comes to our mind is that it's a type of business. Of course, it's a type of business, but the real difference here lies here. Real entrepreneurs, I mean, the entrepreneurs always comes up with a new or a unique idea as their startup. Whereas business is the inheritance of same idea which already exists in the market. The second difference is that entrepreneurs, when they start their startup, they come up with a new marketing strategy, which can be, in simple words, it can be told as trial or error method, because it's a new marketing strategy. Whereas in business, when they start their company, they do the same marketing strategy which already exists in the market, and it's a proven way for their marketing. The third difference is the main difference between entrepreneurship and business. So real entrepreneurs always bring revolution in the world, meaning they are problem solvers, which is they check what problem lies in the world and they try to solve that problem by their own new idea. Whereas business is something where they only aim for profit. The fourth difference is that the risk factor. In entrepreneurship, the risk factor is very high because it's a new idea and they don't know whether it can get succeed or not. It can get succeed or it may not get succeeded. But if it fails, obviously people are gonna learn from that mistake. But when you look at the risk factor, it's really high. Whereas in business, it's a low risk factor because the idea is already inherited, which already exists in the market. So the risk factor is very low when compared to entrepreneurship. Now let me give you a simple example which differentiates between entrepreneurship and business. I hope everybody knows Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats. So if you all look at hotels, they have their same business style and their marketing style which already exists in the market. But as we all know, and as these people who had this hotel business, they know that everybody does not have the proper time to come and have food in the hotels, but they did not have any innovative idea. But whereas this real entrepreneurs thought it as a problem and they tried to solve that problem by bringing new startups such as Zomato, Swiggy, and Uber Eats, wherein they deliver food to their doorsteps. So, in simple words, they thought it was a problem, they tried to solve this by their new idea. And again, due to all these traffic issues, people are not able to deliver food to doorsteps at the proper time. So now again, these entrepreneurs are thinking to deliver foods through drones, wherein they can deliver food at the proper time. So now let's get into entrepreneurship and what real entrepreneurship looks like. So first and foremost, misconception or bad thought is that when people who want to be entrepreneurs, they look at all the successful people in social media, and when they look at these people in their private jet or fancy cars, these people who want to be entrepreneurs, they think it's very easy and they think it's a fancy thing, wherein they put in their bio of their social media stating that I'm an entrepreneur, wherein they don't even know anything about entrepreneurship. Next misconception is that people who want to be entrepreneurs, they look at their inner circle and they think it can be done on short term with not a lot of hard work because they don't know the outside world. Next thing is that people think entrepreneurship is only money, but that's not the case. Real entrepreneurs have a purpose in their life and they want to get succeed in that, and their main motto will not be only money. Next bad thought is that they tell everybody that they want to be entrepreneurs, yet they don't want to go out of their comfort zone, wherein they have to put in all their hard work. And finally, they don't define their circle, meaning that they don't surround themselves with positive people and people who speak about success and development. So these are the things where people think what real entrepreneurship looks like, and I'm really sad about it because that's not how it works. Now let me tell you what real entrepreneurship looks like. So first and foremost thing is that entrepreneurship has lot of hurdles and yet they overcome it and they are the real entrepreneurs. Secondly, if you say you want to be an entrepreneur, first thing or first opposition is your family. They literally say you can't do it. Secondly, the people around your circle, they say they will literally criticize you. Yet you need to overcome it and get succeed in your life. Third thing and the most important thing is you should not give a damn about anything whatever people tell about you. And that's the real character of an entrepreneur. Next thing is that real entrepreneurs have always have fixed things to do in their life, such as hard work, waking up early, good attitude, making your plans, not judging about others, and mainly they have patience to get succeed in their life. As we all know, entrepreneurship is a trending thing and people think it's fancy, but entrepreneurship simply means losing. You need to lose every day to be an entrepreneur. Real entrepreneurs love losing because they want to get better at it. We all think and we all dream that we want to be entrepreneurs, but what price are we paying to be there? We just sit at late night scrolling at social media feeds which is worth nothing, and we sit and regret that we have lost. So you got to understand that entrepreneurship don't work the way you think. It's totally different because each and every day it takes a lot of things out of you to be there, and you got to know that world is designed in this way only, where everybody will be against you and you got to overcome it and get succeed in your life. So stop dreaming about entrepreneurship and don't think it is a fancy thing. So just come out of your comfort zone and know exactly what real entrepreneurship looks like and start working towards your dream. So that's it from my side, people. If you have liked our content, do share and subscribe our channel and feel free to give your views in the comment section. So thank you.